Hi again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use my sinking fund spreadsheet. This spreadsheet has 4 tabs: the readme tab, the setup tab, the dashboard, and the log tab. The readme tab has the instructions for you to follow to better understand how to use this spreadsheet. Whether you're saving for a large purchase, a vacation, or for an emergency, a sinking fund is one of the best money saving strategies you can employ. The greatest benefit to using sinking funds is the peace of mind that comes with the knowing you have enough money to pay for the things you want. Let's start with the setup tab. This is the beginning of the spreadsheet, and you start by choosing your currency symbol. This spreadsheet allows up to 4 currencies. Simply choose one from the drop-down list and let me know if you need any extra currencies, and I'll send you a bonus template. Step 2. Decide what you're saving up for. Enter a name for what you're saving up for. Whatever you're saving for, you should start planning for it now, so it doesn't sneak up on you and make you broke. Step 3. Enter the starting amount. This is the amount of money you have to start with, the amount of money that you've already saved towards the fund. Step 4. Enter your monthly payment. A sinking fund will only work if it's in your monthly budget. To figure out how much to save, take the total amount you want to spend and divide it by the number of months or weeks you have left until you need to make the purchase. Step 5. Enter your goal amount. This is the total goal you would like to save up for in order to afford your fund. That's the amount of money you eventually like to save up for in the fund. Dashboard tab is an in-depth breakdown of all your savings. It shows the total goal amount, the total saved amount, the total left to save, and the current month's amount. It shows all your savings information, the goals, the left to save, the monthly contribution, and the months to pay off. The dashboard shows a thorough breakdown of all your savings goals. It has many features and should not be edited. It shows the number of months you're going to pay for each month. It reflects the setup tab and the payment log, and also shows your current month payments. Payment log tab is a savings payment tracker that helps you manage your savings. A payment log is a useful tool for managing your financial obligations. In this case, it tracks the payments you make and is pretty simple to use. Here's how sinking funds work. Every month, you'll save a certain amount of money for a specific purpose to use at a later date. That way, you're saving up small amounts over time instead of having to come up with a big chunk of money all at once. Whether you're planning a trip or buying a new couch or even a new car, sinking funds help you pay cash for all of it and avoid the post-purchase regret. A sinking fund is a strategic way to save money by setting aside a little bit of money each month.